In this video, we will guide you through the process of mastering budgeting. We will cover the basics, key points, and provide a practical example. This video is perfect for anyone looking to gain control over their finances and achieve their financial goals. Ever wonder why at the end of the month, you're often left scratching your head, wondering where all your money went? Well, the answer to that question, my friends, lies in the magic of budgeting. Budgeting, in its purest form, is the process of creating a plan to spend your money. It's about understanding where your money comes from, where it goes, and most importantly, how you can manage it better. Start with understanding your income. Add up all of your earnings from your job, investments, or any other source of income you might have. Remember, the key is to be as accurate as possible. Next, track your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on, from rent and groceries to that coffee you grab on your way to work. Don't leave anything out, no matter how trivial it might seem. Now, categorize your expenses. Separate them into fixed costs like rent and utilities, and variable costs like dining out and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your money goes each month. Then comes the crucial step. Subtract your expenses from your income. If the result is a positive number, you're in the green. If it's negative, you're spending more than you're earning, and it's time to make some changes. Identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe you're eating out too often, or perhaps that gym membership is just collecting dust. Look for ways to save without sacrificing your quality of life. Set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having a goal in mind can motivate you to stick to your budget. And finally, make adjustments as needed. Life happens and circumstances change. Adjust your budget accordingly, and remember, it's a tool to help you, not a set-in-stone rule. Now, let's recap the key points about budgeting. Firstly, understand your income. Know exactly how much money you have coming in each month. Secondly, track your expenses. Be aware of where every dime goes. Thirdly, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs to get a better understanding of your spending habits. Fourth, subtract expenses from income to see if you're living within your means. Fifth, identify areas to cut back and save money without sacrificing your lifestyle. Sixth, set financial goals to keep you motivated and focused. And lastly, remember to adjust your budget as life changes. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about understanding and controlling your money so you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you want. So take these steps, create your budget, and watch as the mystery of where your money goes each month disappears. Let's now dive into a practical example to see how these key points of budgeting can be applied in real life. Meet John, a recent college graduate who just landed his first job. His monthly income after taxes is $3,000. He has rent and utilities, which are his fixed costs, amounting to $1,200. His variable costs, including groceries, transportation, and leisure, totaling up to $1,000. After subtracting his expenses, he has $800 left. John identifies that he can cut back on his leisure costs and save an additional $200, leaving him with $1,000 each month. John sets a financial goal to save $12,000 in a year, which he can achieve if he sticks to his budget. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting your lifestyle. It's about making informed decisions about your spending habits. John adjusted his budget to fit his lifestyle and goals, and you can do it too. Start today and see the magic of budgeting unfold in your life. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you.